I just built this cabinet, which I love it, but there's one tiny little thing. I think this gap right there is too small. It doesn't allow me to close the door. It doesn't allow me to close the door. I can't close it. So I'm gonna have to leave it open until you either send me a new one. Okay, so now it's closed. Now I'm gonna try to open it. I can't open it. I can't open it because this gap right here is way too small. Right there. I have no problem with the other one. It's just this one right here.